Everybody, this is GeoGebra and we are going to construct a rosette. I'm going to start by making a point A at 0, 0. Then I'm going to make a point B at 1, 0. And let's say we're going to make a 7-gon. So I'm going to use my regular polygon tool with 7 vertices. So I'm going to zoom in here so this thing fills my screen. I'm going to change the opacity to 0. I'm going to grab my perpendicular bisector tool and I'm going to put in a couple of lines here. I'm going to find the intersection of those two lines to get my center. I'm going to find this midpoint and this midpoint. I'm going to put in a circle. I'm going to put in a line. I'm going to grab my intersection tool and find this point, and I'm going to put a circle in the center. Then we're going to do some magic. So I'm going to create a slider that represents an angle from 0 to 90 degrees. All right, so I've got my slider, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate point B by alpha about point K. And then I'm going to create a line from K to B prime. And what that does is it allows for this line to move like so and create a variable angle. And I'm going to make this blue and a little bit thicker. So then, oops, then it's just a series of reflecting this thing over a bunch of other stuff, including this angle bisector here. Which I want to make dashed. So I'm going to intersect and I'm going to reflect. So reflect, intersect, intersect, reflect, intersect. I'm going to create a polygon. And I'm going to reflect. I'm going to reflect. I'm going to intersect. I'm going to reflect. I'm going to create a polygon. And now I'm going to create a couple of sequences. So I'm going to write a sequence of rotations of, what was this? Q1 by 2 pi I over 7 about point H, where I varies from 0 to 6. And I'm just going to copy that and paste it for poly 2. And now I'm going to hide my lines. I'm going to hide my points. I'm going to hide my polygons. I'm going to hide my conics. And I'm going to turn my animation on. And we've got an animated 7-fold Star Rosette. Isn't that cool?